The P-Bruins shorthanded with 4 Bruins players now, still jockeying for playoff position with 3 games to go in their regular season, taking on Manchester. First period, PB's up 1-0. Goaltender Malcolm Subban doing his thing. First the glove save, then the stick save to keep the Bruins on top. But eventually, Manchester would get one on the power play. Zach O'Brien sends the wrister on net. Andy Andreoff there for the follow. That ties things at 1. PBs go on to lose 3-2. They wrap up the regular season this week.